Do you want to learn how to draw this cartoon Godzilla? I'm John-Marc, and I'm going to show you in these several steps. Alright, in these next few steps, you're going to see what I did to color it. The first thing I actually did is I laid down some halftones throughout the entire Godzilla character, kind of where the shadows and the dark areas to the highlights. And then I added some cool blues and little greens throughout the layers and built upon that, and a little bit some of the outlines for some of the highlights. And then from here I took to the background, and I had the background quickly laid out, and some of the background I overlaid on top of Godzilla on the top. Consistently, I'm going to be looking to build up more on top of it, as you'll follow up with the white highlight underneath Godzilla, the backside, and then I made it really hot and some highlights here and there. A little bit more, taking some detail. Now the next step, I even took it further with the highlights. As you'll see, I went throughout the entire character, and I just built upon where the light source that I envisioned from the top left-hand corner shining down on him. And for the very last thing, I added some reds throughout the character, as you can see, around his eyes and his belly and his arms and his legs, just to give a little bit more darker shadowing and different tone altogether. And thanks for checking out this video lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.